Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Yes, today we'll be talking about the Tyrrell 003. Sir Jackie Stewart drove it to the 1971 World Championship. So that's pretty cool. It's one of my favorite cars from the eras. I got this car relatively cheaply for £20. As you can see, some paint scratches there. The rear right tire was falling off, and there were some problems there with the exhaust. All in all, this model I had to clean it a little bit. As you can see, there's a lot of dust here, a lot of old glue, and there you can see more dust. I probably should have cleaned that one up maybe later. But yeah, let's just talk about this because this car is getting quite rare these days. So to get it for such a low amount is actually quite an achievement. I'll definitely have to clean it. As you can see, there's a lot of dust there and a bit of rust, but yeah, did not have the time to do it. Wow, even mirrors, you can see some reflection there, which is kind of cool. Coming back to the cockpit itself, as you can see, it's a bit of plastic, metal, and die-cast you'd expect from Minichamps. The details on the wheel, not too bad. Does this wheel move? Yeah, well, not really, but the actual wheels, they do communicate with one another, as you can see. The driver figurine feels quite bulky, but again, can't expect too much. You can't fault them. I've seen other diecasts like doing a bit worse than this, especially Quartzo. I think Minichamps done a really good job. Shame about the paint job again, but you can't have everything for £20, of course. I really like the engine here at the back. As you can see, it has quite some pretty cool detail. There's that exhaust, not exhaust, what do you call it? Air intake at the top of the helmet. Quite cool. The helmet itself looks pretty realistic. I'm not sure about the helmet shell though. Maybe it could be accurate as well. Yeah, let's go back to the engine. So the engine, as you would expect, all the cables there, all the scale of the car is essentially manufactured on the license. The back of the car you see with those deflectors, and here you can see the wheel sort of like coming off, especially there at the suspension. But if it sits on a shelf, nothing too complicated. So I just admire my cars. I just put them in my DTOF cabinet. I just admire them. So that's pretty cool. Again, some remarkable work done here by Minichamps. Not that you can flip your car every day to see the craftsmanship, but obviously it's good to have. And yeah, overall, I really like this model. I'm sure you guys have it in your collection, and hopefully it looks a bit better than mine, but I'll take it. I mean, for this price range, you really can't find a good model. Yeah, what is this to talk about? Maybe, let's see, like from memory, I think this car won 6 races. Not this exact car. I think Tyrrell used like 3 editions, like the W1 and the W2 and then the W3, and they won 6 races with Jackie Stewart. Absolutely, I think there was one by Francois Sever in the last race. So utter dominance. Jackie Stewart finished with 62 points, Francois Sever with 26, and wow, it was a dream season for Tyrrell. I have the 1-43 car as well. This is the Tyrrell 001. And yeah, let me know in the comment section if you have this one, if you plan to buy it, and I'll definitely see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel, and thanks for the support. Bye for now.